Hey, this is John Awart again, and we are here at Balay Daguinot in La Castellana. Daguinot means thrifty or making the most out of your money because this place is mostly made out of recycled materials. So let's have a look. Hi, Musain.
Balay Daguinot.
Balay Daguinot.
Because it's made out of recycled stuff.
So the house is made of wood and recycled. Made of all
This is
materials.
ginot when you're making ginot.
Ginot. So is this a multi-purpose hall?
Yes, it
Oh, wow. Old houses?
From Mindanao.
From Mindanao pa ni. Wow.
Come on, let's go on that side.
This door are doors from old buildings,
Old buildings and
salvage, and used again as doors. So that's another open
yeah.
function
Yeah, we're
hall.
gonna have our TS thing here.
Yeah.
Like state of the art, the lighting sliding.
Oh, wow. What?
Do go bra ka MTV.
So this big house is what functions as a main hall,
Kind
a rest house.
Rest house.
Is this a private house?
Not really.
Not really.
See, ano ba na? Manila Blues na. He comes here by himself and he goes down the whole place.
Well, just to relax. All right, let's get inside and see all the recycled materials and put together into this really, really interesting house. Welcome to Balay Daguinot at Fastrac, La Castellana. Wow, so it's called Fastrac, huh? Oh my goodness. This is an entire tree trunk. Hello. Hi, hello.
Welcome to Balay Daguinot.
Wow, this is amazing.
This is actual
Tower.
tree.
Yeah.
Yes,
That's
this
an
is
actual
a
tree.
Santo
Santo, that's
yes.
huge. Like how many?
Mushin your arms.
Musin.
Help Tita Jessila hug the tree.
How long ago was this built? Who built this house?
It's my uncle's artwork.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look at that.
This trunk was cut from the backyard of Mr. Kaloy Maghari.
That's why. Okay, watch these.
Railroad tracks chopped into little ones.
And then you puzzle together.
It's a mosaic of wow. Amazing.
busy ang nag-ubraso.
That's a lot of work. That's a lot of work.
Ooh.
That's a lot of work.
Ako,
Oh
ang balig.
my.
Ang balig na up there. That's na balay kung gikuha nila. Ito ko dyan at babaw.
Grabe.
Custom made siya nga mo.
So,
Look at this. This is an amazing collection. Whoa.
2 days for mix. Yeah, sa tubos. May damo. Ano do? Ano na ganito? Ramay. Push, hindi ka ka-push, oh.
The challenge is even if you can just push it, it's yours.
It's yours.
How many seaters?
18 siya ba lang?
Wow, this is for a big family. I never imagined that something like this exists here. Right here in La Castellana.
Ang TS na
Shoot!
hiking na ya.
Tanan niya collection of sticks. Wow.
Some of these were given to him sa Mindanao, sa mga tribesmen.
Why was he in Mindanao?
Because he used to be the regional director of Region 10.
Regional director for what office?
DNR. Imagine, hatag lang na sa tito ko.
Tingin ang royalty.
Ang mga munid lang na design.
Okay. The cloth. Oh, right.
Yellow, purple. What's the
Color of royalty.
Wherever he goes, nandiyan sila. May he picks up something. Yung mga Thailand, sa Indonesia, sa Marimba.
This is the back view of Balay Daguinot, and we have here an avocado tree right there, and right in front of it, or maybe at the back of it, is an awesome view of Mount Canlaon. Well, it's screened by these plants, but beyond this, you will see Mount Canlaon. Beyond this screen of plants, you will see Mount Canlaon. I am now at the back of Balay Daguinot, and right at the back of me, beyond the sugarcane fields, is Mount Canlaon. Thanks for watching. This is John of Art. See you in our next video. Bye for now.